Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news, or rather telenovela news. Now, this is some of the videos that I posted on my TikTok discussing briefly what I have seen or my feeling when it comes to Uthando Nesthembu. But in everything, we wish Ubaba Musamseleku a speedy recovery. Please do like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, now Bazalwane, let us talk about our most favorite content. This is Uthando Nesthembu. Okay, let us start ngobani local. Usne, right? Remember Usne said yena no Gelings they are friends in when she was asked laphana kibo. And then Usamge uthi briga neda, we were never friends. Hey sihlangane emqimbini kasoka, so then we chatted there and there, but not necessarily sekuphuzu. Then the children Umpilenhle, Usne, no, oh, I forgot. Nomntana kaMacele. Hey, maningi guys, angeke ngikhona ukubakhumbula bonke. They went out, right? And when they went out, they discussed this whole matter. And to me, where I'm standing, why do I believe Usamge? Because Usamge described this as we know each other, but we're not friends. And according to how I saw it as well, it's like they know each other, they're not necessarily friends. And also from where I'm standing, it's not as if it's not as if, like, this is me now, right? It's not as if beba amabhuzumu and then lo wamiyeka ngalesikhathi lesi sekajola nobabakhe maka sekahlafuna ubabakhe wamiyeka. Mina ngibona ngathi vele Usamge no lo bebazana, but not necessarily friends. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Like, there are people that you call friends, and there are people oti mina nalabantu siyazana. That's my take. I don't know. What did you guys see? How did you guys, like, nibambe kanjani leyo situation?